This is our FDD 2-frequency COFDM transceiver module. This is the filter. It is directly connected to the antenna without a filter now. We will see the frequency harmonics generated by the transmitter. Transmitting frequency. This is the second harmonic, third harmonic, fourth harmonic. No more frequency harmonics after this. It can be seen from the current test equipment that if there is no filter, the transmitter will produce frequency harmonics. Harmonics occur at frequencies 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times the frequency. Frequency harmonics can cause interference to other equipment. Now let's look at adding a filter to the output of the transmitter to see if there are still frequency harmonics. Connect a filter between the transmitter and the antenna. This is a 340 MHz wavepass filter. Between frequencies of 330 MHz and 350 MHz signals can pass. Other signals are blocked. Our 1886 dual-frequency video transceiver, you can choose 2 frequencies, one for uplink and one for downlink. Transmitting and receiving are performed at 2 frequencies respectively, which increases the transmission rate and anti-interference performance. Now the filter is connected from the transmitter to the antenna. Now there are no frequency harmonics on the screen. Except for the transmission frequency, all other clutter has been filtered out. Now you know the important role of filters. If you need to customize a COFDM transmitter, PA, or filter, please contact us for free solutions and quotations.